The next question is about basically a child which is born. So when is the right time to get a horoscope? Is there any limitation at which age that horoscope should be? We should get ready, sir. Normally people are telling after 2 years, after 3 years, or at the age of 5, or a female baby will take at least 5 years. Is there any time limit for the birth chart to be created, sir?
Yeah, it is a very good question. Many people have the doubts because in some areas, some people give the children's horoscope for checking with an astrologer.
Correct.
The right method is when a child crosses 12 years only, they are supposed to see their horoscope.
Okay.
Before that, they can prepare the horoscope and they can keep in their safe. But it is not advised to check the horoscope below 12 years of age.
So while the baby born, we can keep the chart ready and the date of birth and place of birth and time of birth we can keep ready and we can prepare the chart. But only for astrologer or any consultation we have to go after 12 years only, if I'm not wrong, sir.
Yeah. See, birth chart like Jataka Chakra can be prepared after doing the Namakarna and functions and everything. But it should not be shown to others.
Okay.
Only thing they can note it down the nakshatra. So whenever they go to temple, they can
After
do
1 year,
archana for
yeah, 1 year only
archana.
normally
After
archana.
1 year, they can do archana. Otherwise, it is not necessary.
Okay.
And even though if anybody prepares, they can keep it without showing to anybody.
Very good, sir. See, nowadays what happened, people are getting different ideas. On the day of birth or within 10th day, they are preparing the chart. Astrologer Mr. Suresh Kumar is very clearly explaining us, prepare the chart and keep it safe. So that after 12 years, it will be very useful to show to the astrologer and to find the right path for the kids. And it's a very good eye opener for everyone who are seeing this video. When a kid is born, prepare the chart and keep it ready, and then you can use it after 12 years, sir. Am I right, sir?
Yeah.
Thank you, sir. Sir, this is a specific question for the people or for a marriage related thing, sir. Either it be a delayed marriage or not getting marriage in a right time. That's most important. What are the dosha associated with it? How to predict it and to overcome the dosha, sir?
Yeah, it's a right question. Nowadays, many people are facing these kinds of problems like delayed marriage or problems in getting marriage at the right age, and all these things are happening. Now, I will give some important points. So, the persons can check in their horoscope. Number one dosha is Kuja dosha. Kuja means it is called as Chavai dosha or Mars dosha or Manglik also they say. This dosha is formed in a horoscope with the placement of Mars. Mars is known as Chavai, Kuja, Angarak. This dosha is formed when Mars is located in Lagna or in second house or in fourth house or in 7 or in 8 or in 12th house in a Rashi chart. So if the Mars is located in 1, 2, 4, 7, 8, 12 houses, Mars dosha is formed. So due to this, there will be delay marriage, or sometimes there may be problems in getting marriage, and sometimes there may be problems after marriage also. But the dosha gets nullified with the placement of benefic planets also. Like when this dosha, like Mars, suppose if Mars is located in second house and planet Jupiter, that is Guru is aspecting Chavai, that is Mars, the dosha gets nullified. So we should be very carefully check the dosha. Another dosha is Saturn in 7th house. So in a horoscope, if Saturn is located in 7th house, there may be delay in marriages. In this kind of doshas, the person can do Shani dosha parihara and it can be done. These are the major important doshas for a delayed marriage or problems in the marriage.
Very nicely explained, sir.